Hello friends and welcome to a new crypto chat. Today I'm going to make a different video, not a coin review, but I'll do a platform review. So this is for CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, it's a platform that is monitoring most of the tokens. So when you are looking for a token, the most likely is to go first on CoinMarketCap to check if it's on CoinMarketCap, and then you go to secondary pages like CoinGecko, CoinScope, and more like that. If you want to make a donation to support my channel and support me in order to better my channel, you can find my BSC address down below, my Binance Smart Chain address, so you can donate BNB or anything. If you are from the UK, join me to trade together commission free on free trade. You're gonna get a share between £3 and £200 for free by using my referral, the link down in the description. If you are new in crypto, join me on Binance by clicking the link in the description and you're gonna get 10% back from your fees. Try to stay tuned to the end of the video because there are some things that I will say and I'll share with you guys. You may not know them and they may help you. CoinMarketCap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. Basically, you check the token on CoinMarketCap and you make your conclusion because they have as many information there possible and they could have about the token. So they're trying to be as much transparent as possible. They're putting the most information that they can find about each token, and about accuracy when they're not sure and they're not accurate, they'll put a warning sign or a warning on the token telling you that it's not verified by CoinMarketCap. It's just a self-reported, let's say, circulation supply. Now let's go to the app. When you go on coinmarketcap.com, it will come up the first page. This is the first page. This is what you see. The most common cryptocurrency, starting with Bitcoin and following with the altcoins on ranks. First rank Bitcoin, second rank Ethereum, and keep going. So if we want, for example, to see when people they are saying what rank is XRP, let's see XRP. XRP is on rank 7 because the market cap of XRP is $19 billion about, and Dada Cardano that is on the 6th rank, market cap it's about 19.5 billion, so it's on rank 6. So like this you can see that there are tokens with very high rank number that most likely they are scams or dead tokens or new projects that they just started, but you can make your own conclusion by seeing what's happening and about information and everything. Be careful with the high ranked tokens because high rank it means low market cap. Low market cap it means less money in the project. So Bitcoin that it has a huge market cap, it's safer than, for example, JoloF coin. JoloF coin it's on position 9602 and Bitcoin is on position 1. You can see the market cap $49,000. That means with $49,000 you can buy the whole tokens that they are in circulation at the moment. And this is not only that, but it's self-reported market cap, so it's not verified by CoinMarketCap. You have to look at these things to make a bit sure. Okay, this is about the cryptocurrencies. You can find them ranking, recently added, categories, spotlight, which tokens they are hot now, and on the spotlight they have gainers and losers if you want to invest in something that it's already 30% or 40% today down, let's say. Global charts, historical snapshots, price estimates, Polkadot, parachains, legal trender countries. For curiosity, let's check this. So the good thing about this is that Bitcoin is a legal trender in El Salvador since last year and since April in Central African Republic. So more and more countries, especially countries with high inflation, they are adopting Bitcoin. That's good for all the cryptocurrency. Alright, let's carry on. You have fiat companies ranking as well, and all this on cryptocurrencies. They're categorized nicely, so it's making it easier for you. Exchanges, spot exchanges, derivatives exchanges, and decentralized exchanges. NFT, Gravity. Gravity is basically like a Twitter page on CoinMarketCap. You exchanging information, knowledge, you debating about tokens, you're doing everything about tokens here. You're announcing something. How you can see, it's active, people are active on this. It's a quite new platform that it's been integrated on CoinMarketCap. I believe it's like 2 or 3 months ago. This is one of the other interesting facts on CoinMarketCap. You can create your portfolio, so you can track your tokens. This portfolio is empty because I just created for educational purpose. So let's pretend that we want to create a portfolio. We add a token. We want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, how much Bitcoin we bought? We bought 0.1 Bitcoin at the price of 30,122. If you bought it at different price, you can always change the price. Let's get as an example, we bought 0.1 Bitcoin at $28,000 and we paid $2,800 at transaction. This is our portfolio, this is our value. So we are in profit 7.58%, that means $212, because hypothetically we bought at the price of $28,000. And you know your holdings, the price you bought in, how much up and down you are, and the transactions that you did in the past. You can even edit them. Now let's go on the watch list. How you see my watch list is empty. If you have some tokens that you are watching, for example, let's say HNT, Helium token, at coins, we find HNT, select, and now it's on our watch list. This is our watch list, and you can see that we are watching these tokens. So you can visit your watch list in order to see what are your upcoming buys or sells or whatever. The products, they have a converter. So basically, let's say as an example, you have $100 and you want to invest in Helium, and you want to see with $100 roughly how many Helium you'll buy. So we are on Helium. Scroll down and then you'll see the converter. I want to buy $100 in Helium. How many Helium I'm getting? I'll get 11.48 HNT. Simple as that, and nice and easy, so you can know roughly what you are buying. The converter, you can use it by itself as well, separate converter. So you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to exchange in, what you want to exchange, and you'll see how much you'll get. Blockchain Explorer, jobs board, they are offering some jobs when they need to employ people. Crypto API, site widgets, free airdrops. They have a lot of airdrops, so you can join this section to see the free airdrops. There are none at the moment of this video, how I can see. It's one upcoming airdrop in 3 hours. Ended. These airdrops, they've been here on CoinMarketCap. Then you have diamond rewards. This is interesting. You can get some NFTs by spending the diamonds, or some services, or some discount. So basically, when you're logging in every day on CoinMarketCap, you're finding the diamond here on the top right corner. Click on it, then it's bringing you to the page here, and you can collect your diamonds. And I can collect 10 diamonds for today. Security verification to see that you are not a bot. Voila, here we are. We have 10 diamonds. With these diamonds, you can go on diamond rewards, and you're checking out what rewards they are available at the moment. There are some NFTs, there are some services, there was some cheap as well for 200 diamonds or like this. Getting an NFT for free, I think is good, why not? Then we have the referral program that if you refer a friend, you can get 20 diamonds for free when he claims his first 100 diamonds. So both you getting 20 diamonds each. You can subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Learn and earn. You're watching videos, completing quiz and earning crypto. You can find the links always in the description of the video for CoinMarketCap. They have ICO calendar and events calendar. And the last section is learn section. Alexandria. There are articles on Alexandria regarding tokens, news and everything. The latest articles. There are some educational videos, some market updates, glossary for example, let's say I don't know what it means ICO. I want to find out what ICO stands for. Initial coin offering. Here we are. This is the glossary. They have many words that you may not know, because nobody knows everything. Where to buy, newsletter and methodology. Here is where to buy for new starters. So there are some exchanges, you can get an idea. If you are a new starter, click on the link below in the description and join Binance. And here on the top of the web page you have the how many cryptos there are on CoinMarketCap, how many exchanges they are listed, what is the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, 24-hour volume, up or down dominance, and Ethereum gas. So guys, pretty much that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you understand something. If you didn't understand something, you can ask me questions in the comments. I'll try to answer to everybody as much accurate I can be. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.